The FIFA World Cup is around the corner, so I thought it would be the perfect time to make this 3D printed PLA World Cup trophy ready for electroforming. The first step is making the print conductive. Since PLA is plastic, it won't electroform on its own, so I need to apply a conductive coating over the entire surface. This coating allows electricity to flow and gives the copper something to bond to during the electroforming process. I carefully cover every detail, making sure to get into all the curves and textures of the trophy. Any spot that gets missed won't electroform, so taking the time to get full coverage is important.